Okay. Hi, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Pratiksha.
Good afternoon, students. So today we have a guest, Miss Varsha Bunjal, ma'am. She is the architect and interior designer as well as Vastu Shastra consultant. So she have great experience in architect, more than 15 years of experience, and work on residential and commercial projects, having experience in wood construction and steel framing from LOD 100 to LOD 350, ma'am. Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yes.
So welcome, ma'am. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Yes. Thank you, Pratiksha. I'm glad that you have given me such a platform so that I can connect with so many people. And it is a nice thing. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.
Yes, sure, ma'am. Thank you. So, ma'am, before we start, I want to know about your journey. Can you tell me the story of your career? How did it start?
Okay. So basically, I've done my bachelor's degree in architecture from
Mhm.
Bharati Vidyapit. That time I have done this in 2002. So that time it was under Pune University. And then my native place is Nasik. So after completion of this bachelor degree, I went to Nasik. There I worked as a junior architect with Devrel Dhamne firm. uh, there I got lots of experience, like how to do working drawings, how to start planning, how to do bungalow designing, because there are lots of sites in Nasik area. So lots of experience I got from those people. Then I did my 2 years lecturership with KKV Women's Polytechnic. That is a design firm.
Okay.
Then after marriage, yeah, I came back to Pune and worked with Petco projects as a senior architect. And then my husband got transferred to Kerala, so we went there. So I worked as a senior architect with the Vastu Shilpalaya firm. Then we came back to Pune again, and now no, that after that we I worked as a senior lead architect with a software company,
Mm-hmm.
and then now I have started my own firm with my two partners. That is the Precision Studio. Simultaneously, I did Vastu Shastra course with the Vastu Raviraj Institute, which is in Thane, and now I'm doing MBA with the Symbiosis University.
Arey wow, ma'am. Very good. Okay,
Yeah.
so now you are an interior designer plus architecture and with
Yes.
Vastu Shastra consultant.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
So, what inspired you to become an interior designer?
See, basically, every profession has their own like speciality. Like
Hmm.
I just wanted something which will challenge me, because going to office from 9 to 5, it was, yes, for some extent it is right to
Hmm.
get some experience and to motivate ourselves, because whenever we get our degree we cannot directly go to market and start your own practice. We need to have some experience under expertise, under experienced people, so that we should not repeat those mistakes which they face. So with them, when we work with them, we find that it is easy to understand the concepts and to implement those in our future practice. So yeah, that's why I started finding out what really inspire me. So first of all, I wanted to do engineering. Then I thought that yeah, coding thing is really interesting, but over there also we need to focus on lots of day schedule, like 9 to 5 fixed timing, and
Yeah.
I felt that it is not having any innovation, not having any like lots of challenges are there, but still I wanted to go on site and wanted to experience market research and everything. So I chose this architecture, and
Okay.
now I'm doing interior designing also.
Okay. Okay. So, how do you approach place planning and design in interior design as an
Uh,
interior designer?
yeah. I would like to share my screen so that people will understand more. Can you just allow me?
Yes. 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 Sure. Yeah. You can share your screen now. Yeah.
Can you see it?
Yes, yes.
So, so this is my firm. We are giving
Hmm.
architectural consultancy, then licensing, like PMC we have registered.
Hmm.
And so we are doing licensing projects also from scratch zero to completion. Then we are doing interior designing. And for US companies, we are providing Revit modeling, BIM consultancy. Then Indian projects, we have done landscape designing also. And for Indian projects also, we have done Vastu Shastra consultancy and fountain designing and manufacturing. So whenever you ask me about the space planning, so I have done some preparation for that. Just to, I don't wanted to waste time, so that
Yeah.
I'll just give, yeah. And for through this, people or the kids, the participants will understand what exactly I want to say, you know.
Yeah. Sure.
So whenever we design anything like architecturally, we were more focused on flat designing or the space designing for the building, like how what should be the approach to design the social and then private, and then what kind of areas we should consider while designing residential or commercial or any mercantile things, malls or something. So here we are more focusing on interior. So I'll just cover the interior part of the thing. So while designing any interior for a residential, there should be a proper designing approach should be there. So, whenever we start designing a flat, we should understand what are the public areas, what are the private areas, what are the work areas. So, I have given one a small bubble diagram over here. So, here we can see that the public area is living, dining, and the kitchen area.
Hmm.
So, lots of foot traffic will be there. Okay,
Hmm.
and the other areas are a little bit private, which are more specific for the people who are staying there.
Hmm.
So the servants or the guests will reach till the public area. Then, if they are staying, then guests can come into guest rooms, and they can we can include them in our private area also.
Hmm.
So I've segregated these areas so that we should understand that how we should do think before planning that one zone should be for the public, then one zone should be the private. We should not mix and match everything, immediately after the living room is the master bedroom is visible or something like that. We
Hmm.
should have some privacy for master bedroom. And again, if now the after COVID-19, we have this work from home culture. So office space we should consider while designing any interior home or something. That time we should consider the office area, which should not get disturbed by the public areas. If
Okay.
the guests are coming, they are sitting in the living area or the in kitchen. Some like my if my friend comes and she will speaks with me, and we just chit chat in the kitchen, and that should not disturb my husband or my kids while studying, or if they are taking call from home or something. So we should design those areas properly. So the social, private, and work areas should be designed separately. Then again, the lighting placement, the fixtures which we are using, and the brightness, you must have seen that all these areas are like I've given maximum peripheral area I've included, so that the
Hmm.
natural light and natural ventilation should be considered. It should not be that at the daytime also we are just using artificial lights, or yeah, for design purpose it is necessary. For false ceiling we can give yellow lights just to enhance the beauty of the articles or something on the wall or paintings or something. But it
Hmm.
should not be a daytime. You should enjoy natural light. So do your planning such that these natural ventilation and light should be properly designed and considered while planning.
Hmm.
So, yeah, space planning wise, you should consider about, color palettes of your rooms, then the room size, the scale. Now, if we can see here, the lobby area is little bit secluded in the bottom image of the flat in 3D.
Yes.
Okay. So,
Hmm.
from one, this is a little bit secluded area. So if the
Hmm.
delivery persons come, for example, he can reach till this point. Okay. After
Okay.
that, this will be a little private area. It
Hmm.
comes like then here we can give guest bed. Then nowadays it is a open space kind of concept is there,
Hmm.
because of that, the flat looks luxurious, and it gives grand feeling to the means whoever comes. It will give a grand feeling.
Yeah,
And
exactly.
if the living room is such a big, it's not necessary that you should only give the furniture towards the walls or something. You design a furniture intelligently and just give cozy areas kind of thing in each and every room or while designing, so that here I've given like three-seater, two-seater, and single chair, so that this group can be one group, and the others can, kids and all, they can sit here and they can have family get together kind of thing. So it's
Hmm.
not necessary that you should just fill it with lots of furniture and something. So it is distance between the furniture, then distance between the spectators and within the TV, that it should not be lots, means the TV is so far and we cannot see the images and the headlines and everything. So you should consider all these points while designing. And again, do not just put furnitures in the
Hmm.
room. Do not just fill everything with the furniture. You should give proper circulation. Now, here we can see that this passage is empty. You should
Yes.
not just put anything in between, so that the people, the elderly people or the kids, they can get hurt, right? So
Yeah.
as a designer, you should consider all these practical things, I must say.
Hmm.
So yeah, definitely, while designing, just imagine that you are moving through the house, and what effect you want, what exactly the client's requirements are. Just follow those, and just try to give what the clients want from us. We are here to help them. We are here to incorporate their ideology or their dreams in reality. So we should consider while designing these kinds of things. That is more of a space planning. So we should consider lighting also. It should not be very dark or it should not be very bright. Give proper lighting. Then room you should consider while buying. Yeah, I went to furniture shop and I like this sofa. I want this sofa. अरे बाबा ये fit हो रहा है आपके room में. Just see that the color palette is matching. No, you should consider all these points before doing planning. So yes, definitely you should consider. Yeah.
Okay. So this project is done by yourself?
No, this is, I've taken one image from this net, but yeah, some of the projects I've done 3D views. Those I will share in uh,
Okay, okay.
upcoming things. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Then this is uh, principles while doing any planning.
Hmm.
So first of all, understand client's requirement. As I said, that you should give the proper circulation space,
Hmm.
then private area and circulation, and the garage area. You should design according to the circulation pattern. It should not be immediately after entering in the home, immediately we can see the master bed, or we will see the toilet, common toilet or something like that.
Hmm.
So yeah, if it is done by builder, we can't help it, but you have to intelligently, you have to hide it with some partition, with some unit, or with some barrier. You can do artificial gardening over there. So these are the principles while designing anything. Yeah, definitely you should think about the budget of the client, and each room should correlate with each other. That kids' bed is like something extra, and living room is like very modern, and parents' bedroom is like very means that you should stick to one theme,
Hmm.
and you should design as per that, and make sure that the circulation should be smooth, and it should be practical. The kitchen is very much far away from the main entry, then you can give the back entry to the kitchen. If it is a bungalow, it is always possible to give backside entry so that the servant can go there, and from that side only she can go out. So first of all, whenever you start any designing, you should jot down the planning action plans, that what should be the first step, what should be the next step, and get it finalized from your client, because client is like they are going to use that flat or that house. So definitely their expectations we should able to reach and fulfill their expectations.
Okay, okay. So, ma'am, in this slide, you have shown me a full floor plan and the color palettes there are there. Closet, shower, the pink color,
Yeah.
blue color, and why you should keep these color combinations means.
See, this yellow color is showing the circulation area. Like
Okay.
this is the lots of traffic wala area.
Hmm.
Then these are the private areas. Like pink color is the private areas, and
Okay.
these are the public areas. Like I said, no, living room, then
Hmm,
dining
hmm, hmm,
area,
hmm.
kitchen area. So this is little bit like anybody can come, and guests are there, but these
Hmm.
other areas are like a private area, so that nobody will immediately enter into the house, and they will just pop up into the bedroom or something. We should design it little bit. You should give some passage, or the anti passage to that room, and then to the private area, so that
Hmm.
sometimes people just don't know where to go, and they are just going to the bedroom, directly to the bedroom. It should not happen like that.
Hmm, hmm. Okay. So, if this is the color combination is given by
It's for
com
the, yeah,
understanding.
for the understanding, that how I have given the zones, like the private zone, then the semi-private, then the public areas, and which is the circulation area and all.
Okay. Okay.
So, yeah, again, maximum daylight and sunlight you should give, so
Hmm.
that you should not use, you should think that, yeah, we should contribute something for the nature also. That is our duty. So, in a daytime also, if you are using, in Pune, so we don't need any AC or something. Nowadays, it is very hot, but still we can avoid those things by giving proper windows, bigger windows, proper air circulation through the windows, and lighting. So in the like ancient architecture, they used to
Hmm.
give only small windows
Hmm.
because of the privacy. Maybe the only at that time, the all houses were on the ground floor only. So to keep the privacy, they must have given small windows. But nowadays, we can give bigger windows, and we can put curtains for that, for the privacy, or we can give proper blinds to that area, so that we natural light will also come, and sheer curtains we can give, so that the some harsh light will not come, but yeah, we will get some natural light, or no need to use artificial lights and all. So while doing any space planning, you should think about that. Like you should fulfill your client's need, not just aesthetically. Just do not give nice wallpapers, or just furnitures, and then back rails, and like lots of modern things and all. But you should give them psychologically also. They should feel that, yeah, this house is whenever we enter in the house, we should feel positive while entering into the house. So yeah, natural light will play a lots of a positive role in psychological effect of a person.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. So, while designing, while space planning, you consider Vastu Shastra as well?
Yeah, definitely. It depends actually on the client.
Hmm.
Some clients, they come like, no, no, we don't follow Vastu. Sometimes, the husband doesn't like to follow Vastu, but the mothers or the wives, they want ki, no, no, little bit Vastu we can follow. So lots of the times it happens that I try to give them the best possible what I can do for them,
Hmm.
but within a budget, definitely. They should not feel that I am just giving them some stupid ideas. Yeah, definitely I can make out in the first meeting only that, yeah, this client wants this from me. So I am not going to put him other commitments like, no, no, you do follow Vastu also, it is necessary or something. Yeah, definitely. If they want to follow it, you are welcome. I'll give you the service. If you don't want, yeah, I'm okay with that also. And you can get the designing and whatever you want from my side. I'm there for to help you. So yeah, I've done this. These are some of my kitchen projects, as you
Hmm.
said that kitchen these are some of I did in a Vastu Shilpalaya firm while doing a working drawing or something. So after the execution, I just clicked some photos, and this was done in my brother's house in Thane. Uh,
Okay.
and yeah, so these are few views or I like site visits I did for my analysis and something. So these are the designs, different materials used on site, like lacquered glass for the shutters and all. Somewhere they have used laminates for the shutters. Uh, so these are the
Okay.
some of my projects. Yeah.
Okay. So this is the 3D drawings. Yeah, actual drawings.
These are the pictures, photo pictures of the site. Like whenever I give, if you want to see my architectural projects, those are also I can share. Yeah. So one of my project, we did like uh, yeah, this is the kitchen layout.
Hmm. Hmm.
So we gave the L-shaped platform and one small platform to other area. This went for the back utility area, and this was coming from the dining area. So we did all four side elevations A, B, C, D,
Hmm.
and this is the A side elevation. They wanted some traditional kind of thing. So yeah, definitely we tried to give them. Then open
Hmm.
shelf for the for the masalas and all. Then
Hmm.
glass shutters with the lights and all. So
Okay.
fridge area definitely, yeah, here over here, fridge, and on that also we try to give the storage and
Hmm.
one counter. This counter pull out areas for the bottles and all. These are the sections like how the granite is fixed and what are the sizes of this unit.
Okay. So it's a drafting model. And in
Yeah,
this software you did the 3D model.
yeah, this is the 2D apna AutoCAD. So
Hmm.
we are doing 2D in this AutoCAD,
AutoCAD. Hmm.
and 3D we are doing in a 3D Max. So one of my colleagues, she is doing like my partner, she is more proficient in 3D Max, and one
Okay.
of my colleague, she is also she is doing everything in Revit. So we are the combination of everything. Sometimes I help her out for the Revit. Sometimes she helps me out in the AutoCAD. So it's a joint venture kind of.
Okay. Okay. Great.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you have seen this one. Yeah. Anything else, Pratiksha, you want to know from my side?
Yeah. Next slide. I would see next slide.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So while designing, you should remember these points. Like, first of all, make a layout, proper layout.
Hmm.
There are multiple kinds of layouts. Yeah. Parallel layout, then L shape, then U shape patterns and all. Then islands. So here we can see that I just wanted to tell newcomers of interior designing or the
Hmm.
who want to learn more from. interior expertise or something, that you should follow these, triangle
Work triangle.
work triangle principle.
Hmm.
Moreover, it includes sink, refrigerator, and the stove, like
Hmm.
cooking range. So, why this we are following? Sometimes it happens that we give a bigger kitchen. So, the person who is working in that, if they should not get tired while moving from here to there and there to here. So, this kind of, the working style yeah, we should follow. Now, some of the architects or interior designers are not following that also, because lots of new ideas and new innovations are coming. So it's not necessary that you should follow this, but definitely this triangle should not be much bigger, or it should not be so small that the woman who is working there, or the person who is working there nowadays, both gents and female and male, both are working in the kitchen after COVID. So everybody will be working in kitchen. So
Yes.
yeah, two simultaneously, two, three people will work there, you know. So the circulation should be ideal in a triangular position. If somebody is washing the dishes over here, they should not disturb the person who is cooking over here.
Hmm.
And if the kids are coming and getting some sweets or something from fridge, other two people are not getting disturbed because of that. So it is whatever, it is a traditional thing or whatever. But we should follow, we should think before designing. The stove should not be immediately after the, hub or cooking range. Otherwise, what will happen every time if some person is washing dishes or something, that all the water can go into the curry or something. So it should be away from it, and it should be in a triangular position. It's not ideal, but yeah, definitely you should think before designing all these things.
Okay, so these are the factors you consider when creating an efficient
Right.
and functional work triangle.
Yeah, right. So,
Okay.
yeah, definitely you should think about the corners. The design your corners very intentionally. Now, if this is the corner that should not get west, while keeping your things or something. So, yeah, I just wanted to add something like these modern designs are there in the market. Do the
Hmm.
proper research. You can get many more ideas for that.
Hmm.
Now, here I would like to tell you, like, if this total wall is empty and like all switches are here, then if you want to do some cooking, or if you want to use your mixer over here on the hand mixer, then
Hmm.
I've given one socket to to this overhead unit, so that
Okay.
this socket can it will give flexibility for the person to work over here, and again it will not disturb your elevation wall. का कुछ तोड़ना नहीं पड़ेगा. You can give just your socket over here, which will get hide in this area, and you will get clear background, like wall over here, which will not disturb your aesthetic look also.
Okay. It's a great idea that you will give them.
Yeah, many more ideas are there. Whenever you start, you just start thinking on that process. You will immediately and just do some research. You'll find out
Hmm.
many more ideas.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. And means these are the four kitchen layouts you have showed me. So, are there any
Yeah, right.
alternative kitchen layouts or design concept that
Yeah,
you recommend?
see, now we have seen this triangular thing. So
Hmm.
nowadays, what happens, like what we are doing, like we are segregating zones in kitchen, like food storage zone, then cutlery storage zone, then cooking area will be separate, preparation area will be separate, then the cleaning area will be separate. Why we are doing this? So that it should not be whenever we go to kitchen, everywhere we see the things which are laying on the kitchen platform, and it is not pleasant. Like in a modern kitchen, you should have everything organized. See, all the food storage, if we keep organized, it should not disturb the cooking area or the preparation area. Otherwise, what will happen? Every like masalas are here only and the salt bottle is here. Yeah, we can think properly while designing that what are the storage area where we can keep our storage. Then one more slide I've prepared. Yeah. Then this is the less used area should be at the bottom for the kitchen. Then most often you should keep immediately after the cooking range. You know the very easy. We should find it very easily. Otherwise, the tadka will just burn out, and you will just search for the vessel. Where is the masala dabba? That should not happen. So you should think before designing. Then where should we keep or the designer should give that reachable area, reachable things very easily for the person who is going to use that kitchen. So
Hmm.
used often things and then less using. The same logic is applicable for the storage space also. The most used things and then used often, then less used. So
Hmm.
these area on the upper storage we can keep, which we cannot. We are just using those once in a year. So no need to just keep those materials in the trolley below the countertop. Yeah, those are unnecessary. Those will just occupy the area, and it will be difficult for the person to keep the necessary things. So
Exactly.
yeah, so definitely, this is now your duty as an interior designer. It is your duty to tell a person who is who is using that kitchen that you can keep your unused, like less used things. And now people are smart; they can make out where to
Yes.
keep what. Yeah. So heights, I've given standard heights, and this concept is also very new nowadays because
Hmm.
previously what people the person who was working in the kitchen, that was the only one lady used to be in the kitchen, and our other family members used to enjoy the what living area or the TV and their functions and all. But nowadays, women are also coming in picture and they want to be noticed. So now open kitchen concept is introduced. So lots of people prefer that. So that that ladies will also communicate with the people who are coming, the guests, and they can like a woman can keep eye on their kids what they are watching or something. They can communicate with the kids so that the kids will not feel lonely because nuclear families are in now lots of trend
Hmm.
of nuclear families. So open kitchen concept is is in picture now, and here we can give breakfast tables so that the friends can yeah, like they can come anytime and we can chit chat, and while chit chatting we can do our daily work also. So yeah,
Exactly.
definitely you should think designing is the main key for your happiness. You know how you design, how you implement, and how you make your client more happy with by doing all these things.
Exactly.
Yeah, then these are some cabinets like tall shutters and kitchen pantry. This pantry pull out is also very much in market now. So
Hmm.
we can lots of storage. We can keep all the things inside, and your kitchen will look very clean and neat and everything. And
Hmm.
then again the microwaves and all these are the glass roll-up cabinets. So here we can keep our mixers, microwaves, or some electric like hand mixie or something over here, toaster and sandwich maker. So that we just have
Hmm.
to get it down, just do the work, just clean it and keep it inside. So
Hmm.
these are some units which we can use for the our for to just decorate our kitchen.
Okay.
Yeah. The this section I just wanted to how we should do the designing kind of like cooking hub. Then for this, I just wanted to tell what should be the dimension, minimum, maximum, and
Hmm.
while designing, how you should think about like cooking range में कैसे कैसे क्या क्या होना चाहिए, and these
Hmm.
rollout shutters for the kitchen, and how we can use these dimensions just to it depends on your site condition actually. these are not ideal, or these are not, but yeah, you should take something, the just for your guidance, you use these dimensions, and as per your client's requirement, a height available in the kitchen, you can design it. So
Okay.
so just, yeah, I've given one section like cornice design you can do. Now, lots of people doesn't like that cornices and all. Then pelmet design, like you can hide your lights over here just to
Hmm.
enhance this backsplash thing. So this backsplash thing is like whenever you cook something, it just gets dirty very easily. So you should give the tile which we can maintain it very easily. The client should not just take a scrubber and keep on scratching on that. It should be means very low for the maintenance. Then
Okay.
now granite, yeah, granite is a natural stone, so yeah, it's a very strong stone. But lots of other alternatives are available in the market.
Hmm.
Once you go to market, you will get varieties of that.
Yeah.
Then so these are some ideal cabinets, which we follow in our design. But
Hmm.
definitely, if I have a 10 feet kitchen, then I should not follow this one, because as per the size, the dimensions will change, and these are some just the guidelines for the people, or we are just giving our staff members like just follow these dimensions and do the designing and all.
Okay. So, what are the common mistakes that homemaker make?
Yeah, the homemakers are actually their profession is different. If they are like a mechanical engineer, or if they are coming from other background,
Hmm.
they do not see the problems which they can face afterwards. Some people want, no, I don't want much storage space,
Hmm.
but uh, whatever equipments, or whatever vessels or something you have in the kitchen, you should give sufficient storage space. Some people are giving lots of storages which is not necessary, and that will just minimize your kitchen area, and it will look like everywhere kitchen cabinets. So sometimes you have to just minimize, just throw out your things which you are not using. Then they should not sometimes the client says, no, I don't want this window unnecessary, we are just wasting like space, we can give a vertical unit over there. No, but natural light is coming. For kitchen, it is necessary. Some people are not ready to give chimney or something, then every shutter will get oily. And if the natural light and ventilation is not good over there, then health issues can come for the users who are using that kitchen. So yeah, you should not interfere much more in the clients, yeah, but whatever they are having, we should consider their ideas also, and we should guide them that this can happen. Yeah, this we can avoid by doing this or something like that.
Okay. So,
And many more times, kitchen, some clients are coming and they are telling, I want this, just come with us, see that kitchen, we want exactly that kitchen in our design. So
yes.
I say, oh, that the kitchen is good. Yeah, definitely the designing is nice. Definitely the style is, yeah, we can do exact things over here also. But your site is different, your requirements are different, then your style of living is different. So we are considering that design also, and we are ready to help you out. And within your budget, we are going to give you exact what you want.
Yes.
That message I want to give to the
Yes.
clients.
Okay. So, one more question regarding Vastu Shastra, that how do you
Yeah,
incorporate Vastu Shastra principles into your interior design or
yeah.
into your kitchen designing as
So,
well?
okay. So, kitchen, so, yeah, if you go on net, no, you will get lots of ideas from there also. But when I did my Vastu Shastra course, that time I learned lots of things from myself.
Hmm.
Ravi Raj sir. So he said that every Vastu element has science behind it. So
Hmm.
it's a vast course, definitely, and every disha direction.
Hmm.
They have their energy, negative energy as well as positive energy. So when in our Hindu custom, like we feel that south direction is not good for anything.
Hmm.
So whenever I design anything, if even if the client doesn't want that, they are not following Vastu Shastra, still I give the design which is more towards peaceful life or happy life. I will not put the bed position so that the legs will go to south or and they will face some trouble in future. Instead of that, I will design the space such a way that they'll not face any health issues, they'll not face any economical problems, or they'll not face any, emotional problems or something like that. So
Yeah.
yeah, for the kitchen, while cooking, you should like the person who is cooking, that person should have their face to the east side. Why? Because east is the sun's direction and it is giving fresh light.
Hmm.
That it increases our immunity, and again, it is having positive energy, which will help to boost our mood. Like it is giving in if the person who is cooking positively now, that food you see that food will be like very tasty and with nutritions and all. And definitely then the sink area or the drinking water areas should be placed to the northeast,
Hmm.
because that is the area of water. Then the storage should be placed to the southwest. That is the heavy things we can keep on the south side or the west side of the corner.
Okay. Okay.
So some of the principles, yeah, we have to follow. If it is not possible, we should find out alternatives for that. There are alternatives for the Vastu. Some people are saying, yeah, no, we should not follow Vastu because that will create an unnecessary disputes in this and that. Yeah,
Yeah.
everybody's opinion is different for that. But I think Indian culture, we have some, whenever we get up, we have that positive feeling in us, and nobody wants to get up regretting or something. So positive things are coming from home. If we should have sound sleep, we should have nutritious food and everything, and that we are getting from our house. So yeah, definitely we should have a good ventilation. I wanted to tell everybody like just do not go to artificial things, like artificial lights and artificial AC things and all. It's just not good for everybody. You should stick to the natural things more towards yeah, you should go for the natural things, and it is our earth is giving so many beautiful things to us, like bamboo designing. There are so many jute designing and all natural elements are there which we can use
Hmm.
in for our daily life also.
Hmm.
So this is the project which I did in my Baner site.
Hmm.
So, client, the owner, he wanted his flat, and the other flat he wanted to give on rent. These are like four floors. So,
Hmm.
I tried to give exact Vastu thing for his flat. Like this is the Ishanya Kopra. So
Hmm.
I just wanted to give Ishanya entry for his living room. Then windows I've given bigger. Then this is the Agneya area, like east, east facing cooking for the women. And this is the south side. So yeah, this is the south side. So I gave the toilets over this side, and for Nairuti area, the master bedroom, as per the Vastu, it should be the master's bedroom, so that they should be like if we say in Vastu that in Nairuti Disha, if the person sleeps who is the master of the house, he gets that power of taking good decisions, or the his decisions are like for other family members also. It gives proper he gives proper decision, and he thinks about everybody.
Hmm.
And this is the message. That's why I gave this bedroom to this direction. Then one more client wanted his flat to be designed by Vastu Shastra. So yeah, he wanted two flats to be merged together. In
Hmm.
between, this was the wall, and this was the 3 BHK, and this was the 3 BHK. So what I did, I just combined his living room. I gave the puja over
Hmm.
here and the study area. And the master bedroom is over here, like Nairuta Disha, as I said, and media room and all his parents' room. Every requirement I understood from him properly. Then I incorporated those into the design.
Okay. Where
As
is the entrance of this flat?
over here, yeah,
Okay.
over here.
Okay.
So I what I said that as you have both the flats, you
Hmm.
can give a little entrance पे grill लगा के you can give a semi-private area and here servants room. If
Hmm.
you talk from here, that person can come and do the things and can go out. No
Hmm.
need to disturb this area, if the guests are there and they are
Hmm.
doing.
Hmm. Hmm.
So like that, yeah, this is from my side. Anything I missed out on something?
Not like that,
Aparna?
but I just want to know that are there any specific materials or colors or other design elements that you recommend for creating a Vastu compliant space?
Yeah, when I did my course, that time Sir said that we should stick to our natural habitat.
Hmm.
Like for fire, if Agni is there, like Agneya
Hmm.
Disha is the Agni.
Hmm.
So the fireplace, which is kitchen,
Hmm.
there you should give if you that kitchen is not to the Agneya side, at least you tell client or you can give the wall colors as per the fire, and you can turn that negative effect into the positive, so that client will face less problems if they are facing, obviously. And again, for the water area, the previously the central portion of the Vastu used to be the courtyard,
Hmm.
central portion, and all the rooms were designed outside. But now we don't have such a big in flats, so it is not possible. Also, if we buy a land and we want to build anything, then it is not possible that we can give courtyard and all other rooms to the peripheral area of that courtyard, because that tradition, yeah, definitely it is really something different. But nowadays the design trend is different. So, yeah, color palettes will definitely help out to reduce the negative energy, and it will increase the positive benefits for the Vastu. So, there are many more color palettes which we can follow, and as per the Vastu, it will give the positive impacts on the family.
Okay, okay. I've seen your LinkedIn profile and just I think in the morning you posted one activity that kitchen
Right.
is the heart of every home. I
Correct,
I
correct.
like that your post.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, I posted it from this only, I think.
Okay.
Uh, I got inspiration from you, Pratiksha, actually. I
Okay.
did so much, so many things, when you said no, that you want this sessions.
Hmm.
Then I said, why not? It should be helpful for me also. So, yeah, I just compile everything, the
Hmm.
Vastu thing also, then my projects, then I searched for my projects which I did 5 years back. So
Hmm.
that those projects also inspired me, that I did so many nice projects. I've handled so many projects that still, yeah, the clients are happy with that, and clients are still remembering me. They are wishing me on my birthdays, on my
Hmm.
anniversary, and
Hmm.
everything. So yeah, definitely. When I went through that all of these, so I felt very nice while
Yeah.
doing all these, things, compiling and everything.
Yes, it's very great thing. So yeah, that was I'm telling that I just like that post that kitchen is the heart of every home. Why do you think like kitchen is the heart of every home?
When we buy our house, we are more focused on the living thing, living room. Like
Hmm.
the guest should get this impression of our family. It is like now lots of people are like software techies and all. They are like more turning towards this what you say modern things.
Hmm.
So I'm feeling like we are more moving towards our, fast food things and everything. So traditionally, if my mom comes to my house, she always says, "Why you are ordering burger? We can make it at home also."
Hmm.
I said, "Why you are wasting time?" And that
Hmm.
time she says, "No, no. Whenever we are cooking, that time we are giving best to our kids, to our family members." Then
Hmm.
yeah, definitely our heart is a kitchen because from whenever we wake up, we make a tea. That routine starts from kitchen. Everything is like around the kitchen. If
Yes.
my husband is going to office, let's make breakfast for him. Even if I have a helper or the cook at my home, still sometimes I tell her, no, no, you make this chapati like this. My husband like fulka only. Put more ghee in my kids, chapati.
Hmm. Hmm.
She's not eating anything or he's not eating anything. So this is, yeah, our heart we are putting over there. So yeah, it's kitchen is our heart. Then yeah, every room is having something extra because bedroom also it is a place where we are having sound sleep, which is very important for our health. And then living room, yeah, we are connecting to so many peoples. That is also important. Social communication happens over there only. And then kids' bedroom, parents' bedroom. Every room is important, but the kitchen is our heart because we want to give our family best out of that.
Yes. Yes. Okay, so ma'am, it was a great session with you. It was very great time with you, and of course, the students, whichever our fresher student want to do career in interior design, or if any client want to follow Vastu Shastra, Vastu principles, so interior designer wants to know about Vastu Shastra. So thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your valuable time.
Yeah,
You give such a great information regarding interior designing and Vastu Shastra and
definitely.
kitchen designing. So it was best. So
Okay, yeah. I hope you will get means if you will share this with your students and all, they should get some inspiration and positive things from this session. Yes,
definitely,
definitely.
definitely they will.
Yeah, they will help it. These slides and all, they will just learn and every person should have this self motivation thing that.
Hmm.
Yeah, I want to do something.
Hmm.
Otherwise, whatever the colleges or the offices are giving, then it is on us how we are taking it, how we are absorbing it. Yeah,
Hmm.
definitely, you people are doing great job. You are teaching them, you are motivating them, you are giving guidance to them. Still, it is on everybody's. I want to tell every student who are learning from your institute that they should have some motivations. The colleges and the senior persons, they will guide you because in 80 students or 40 students, somebody will come first and somebody will come last. It is
Hmm.
not necessarily the ranking thing. It is just that how you are taking this and how you are incorporating those values in your practice or in your future. That is the most important.
Yes, yes, ma'am. So, yeah, I just forgot one thing. I think that in 3D 3D models, in which softwares you are doing?
3D Max, 3D
3D
Max.
Max, yeah. Okay,
Yeah,
okay. So you
and
are
in Revit, we are doing US projects. One of my colleagues, she is very keen in that, like she's very professionally handling those projects. And I'm also doing Revit projects, and we both are managing US projects. Some of my colleagues, those people are managing Indian projects. So we are like, as per the requirement, we are just combining
okay.
each and everybody in the work.
Okay, okay, okay. So yes, if time comes, then we will connect with your two friends as well,
Yeah,
your
yeah,
two business
definitely,
partners.
definitely.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
yes, ma'am. So yes, thank you so much for your time. We'll connect another time as well.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. Pratiksha, and thanks for giving me such a I really liked your approach. You know, you are so much flexible in every you are flexible for and
Yes,
yeah.
ma'am. Thank you so much. And
Thank
yeah,
you. Yeah,
okay. Have a good day.
yeah,
Yeah, bye.
great. Same to you. Have a great day to you.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.